So you're trying to download some Netflix videos on your phone, but it's giving a particular error, and maybe because you just changed from an old device to a new device, and then it's showing you this particular error, which you can see downloads on too many devices. Just follow the steps that you can see on this video carefully. So the first thing is to go to your Chrome browser and then log in with your Netflix account details. And make sure you set your browser to desktop mode. Then once you're done logging in, it on the top right, you click on that face icon on the account. Then you select account. So it requires you to log in the second time. So you would see the devices maybe your old devices. Just click on remove devices to remove the old devices. Then once you do that, once you're done, you can now go back to your Netflix app or your web browser or your Netflix app and try re-downloading. So this time it should be able to work. So just delete anyone that was there before, and then try re-downloading the episode or whatever you want to download. It should start working. So thank you. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and consider subscribing.